What if I told you the universe has never stopped talking to you? Not once, and the only reason you haven't heard its voice is because you were listening in the wrong language. If that sentence stirred something in you, stay with me, seeker, because by the end of this video you'll recognize signs, synchronicities, and coincidences you've been missing for years. This isn't new age fluff, this is energetic mechanics, the real conversation happening beneath your life. And today, you're going to learn 5 ways the universe communicates with you and how to actually speak back. Part 1. The misunderstanding that keeps seekers stuck. Most people think they're wandering through life alone. They assume their thoughts stay in their head, their emotions disappear after they're felt, and their words fade the moment they're spoken. But that's not how reality works. Everything you think becomes a signal. Everything you feel becomes a frequency. Everything you say becomes a broadcast, and the universe, always precise, always responsive mirrors that signal back, not as reward or punishment, but as resonance. Life is not random. Patterns repeat because energy repeats. Cycles return because frequency returns. Lessons show up again because your vibration didn't change the first time. And the moment you see this, you'll never call anything a coincidence again. Because once you understand the actual mechanics behind this, you can consciously communicate with the universe, and it will answer you with clarity you can't ignore. Part 2. The real language of the universe. Here's the truth seekers eventually awaken to. The universe doesn't speak English, or affirmations, or wishful thinking. It speaks vibration. Your dominant emotional state is your dialect. Your expectations are your grammar. Your beliefs, especially the ones you don't admit, write the script you're living in. 2 people can stand in the same room, face the same situation, and experience completely different realities because they're tuned to different internal frequencies. This is why someone expecting betrayal keeps meeting betrayers. Someone afraid of scarcity keeps meeting lack. Someone anchored in trust keeps meeting opportunity. The universe is not judging, it's matching. This is why seekers must master awareness, because the moment you see what you're sending out, you can shift everything that returns to you. In a moment, I'm going to give you the 5 tools that allow you to speak to the universe intentionally. But first, you need to understand the biggest misconception holding you back. Part 3. The mistake most seekers make. Most people try to talk to the universe with their words. I want abundance. I want clarity. I want love. But underneath those words is a different vibration. I don't have it yet. I'm unsure. I'm scared it won't happen. Guess which one the universe responds to? Not the words, not the wish, not the script, the frequency beneath it. You can try to think positive, say affirmations, visualize until your forehead hurts. But if the underlying frequency is fear, doubt, or unworthiness, that is the message that gets sent. Which brings us to tool number 1, and this one alone can shift your entire reality. Tool 1, energetic alignment, the core frequency shift. The universe responds fastest to identity, not desire. Most people speak their desires from the perspective of who they currently are, not who they're becoming. To communicate with the universe, clearly ask, who am I being while I'm asking? Scarcity asking for abundance. Self-doubt asking for opportunity. Loneliness asking for love. The frequency and the desire don't match. Alignment comes when your energy mirrors the reality you're calling in. Shift who you're being, and the universe shifts what you receive. Tool number 2 builds on this, because asking isn't as powerful as allowing. Tool 2, prayer as declaration, not request. Forget the idea of prayer as pleading. True prayer is alignment. It's not, please give me this. It's, I am aligning with this. It's a shift from need. Embodiment. Most people pray from lack. Seekers pray from identity. You declare the frequency you choose to live in, and the universe reorganizes around that clarity. But alignment is a two-way conversation, which brings us to tool number 3, the one most seekers skip without realizing it. Tool 3, meditation as receiving, not quieting. If prayer is your voice, meditation is the universe's. You cannot receive answers if your inner world is too loud to hear them. Meditation is not about silence, it's about signal clarity. When you sit in stillness, you drop beneath the noise of the mind and open a channel for intuitive guidance, synchronicities, and energetic nudges that were already trying to reach you. Answers rarely come in sentences, they come in knowing. But knowing isn't enough. You also need presence, which is the key to recognizing signs in real time. Tool 4, presence. The universe speaks in the now. The universe doesn't whisper from the past or shout from the future. It speaks in the moment you're actually in. Patterns, numbers, repeated messages, random conversations that strike your heart. These aren't coincidences, they're responses. The more present you become, the more obvious the dialogue becomes. And now, we reach one of the most powerful tools, the one seekers underestimate because it seems too simple. Tool 5, visualization as energetic instruction. Visualization isn't about imagining a future, it's about experiencing it energetically before it arrives. Your mind doesn't know the difference between a vividly imagined moment and a lived one. This means visualization is not a wish, it's a command broadcast into the universe. But the key isn't the picture, it's the emotional frequency you activate while seeing it. Emotion is the transmitter, the image is the coordinate. Now let's put everything together so you can understand how the universe actually answers you. When you shift your frequency, the universe rearranges your life to match the new signal. This is why opportunities appear out of nowhere, certain people fall away, synchronicities increase, old patterns dissolve. New paths open, not because you asked, but because you became a match. The universe doesn't move first, you do. And once your vibration shifts, reality has to follow. So let me leave you with this, seeker. Talking to the universe isn't about asking. It's about aligning. It's about tuning your inner world so reality has no choice but to reflect it. You are not separate from this intelligence. You're an extension of it, a participant, a co-creator. And the moment you stop waiting and start embodying, everything begins to obey the signal of who you've become. If this message stirred something in you, comment, "I'm aligning now." Not for the algorithm, but to anchor the shift in your energy. And share this with another seeker who's ready to hear what their soul has been whispering. Your awakening is not random, it's a response. Awaken, ascend, become.